This international award-giving body has awarded this recognition to us. To first this is the first and the only MLM company to achieve this kind of international. Just to let you know, we are the only MLM company in all of Asia to ever receive this international recognition in the Asian arena.